Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets around securely. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDC from MetaMask to Bitrue in 2025. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, whether you're trading, staking, or just organizing your portfolio. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need a MetaMask wallet with some USDC in it and a verified Bitrue account. Also, ensure both are connected to the same network, probably Ethereum, since USDC is an ERC20 token. If they're not, switch networks in MetaMask by clicking the network dropdown and selecting Ethereum. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and go to the Assets tab. Find your USDC balance. If it's not showing, double-check that you've added the USDC token manually by going to Add Token and entering the contract address. You can find that on the official USDC website. Next, head over to your Bitrue account. Log in, go to the Wallet section and select USDC. Click on Deposit to generate a deposit address. Copy that address carefully. It's your key to success here. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. Now, back in MetaMask, click on your USDC asset and select Send. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the To field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but leave enough for gas fees. Those can vary, so check current rates on a site like Etherscan. Hit Next, review the details, and confirm the transaction. You'll need to sign it with your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, it might take a few minutes. Check your Bitrue account to see if the USDC has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and verify the transaction hash. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. Keep an eye on fees to make sure your transfer is cost-effective. And hey, if you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.